Jonah Hill, man or myth? Now, what I got here is I got a chart. So, this right here is Jonah Hill. Jonah Hill. Now, if Jonah Hill is Jonah Hill, then that means he must be made up of more than other things than Jonah Hill, as I just previously said. So, we're taking Seth Rogen, and we're going to find out how Seth Rogen can transcend into Jonah Hill. And don't think that just because you see the hardly see up here pointing at the eyes, don't let that fool you. Do not let that fool you. We are going to take Seth Rogen divided by Jonah Hill. But we're going to do a little bit more educating here on the best possible way possible, man. So I am here today to tell you about this. Jonah Hill, man or myth? But first, we are going to find out before Seth Rogen divided by Jonah Hill, we're going to take Paul Rudd times Jonah Hill. Now, if we were to take Paul Rudd times Jonah Hill, what would that be? If we were to take Paul Rudd times Jonah Hill, that would lead us to Andy Samberg. And so if we were to take Paul Rudd times Jonah Hill, and that leads us to Andy Samberg, see, take this. Andy Samberg times 2. So, times 2. So that's like double the Andy Samberg. And then we have Paul Rudd. And we need to plus Andy Samberg and Paul Rudd. And when we plus Andy Samberg and Paul Rudd, we get Robert Downey Jr. Now, I can't draw a picture of Robert Downey Jr., so I just drew Iron Man. But I can't even do that, so just forget that right now. You need to understand that these two put together make the best douchebaggery. But if you were to also minus Robert Downey Jr. from Andy Samberg before you plus Andy Samberg with Paul Rudd, and then take Paul Rudd times Jonah Hill before you take Seth Rogen divided by Jonah Hill, you would get a big fat fucking 0. Jonah Hill is not X. He is 0. Thank you.